Very welcome, one and all. Today's topic for discussion is extruded snacks, which is the part of FPT 3513 course, that is food extrusion technology. We will see what are the different types of snacks, what are different generations, and how they are used or applicable in the food industry. Okay. So first type of snack foods. So each snack processor may use a specific unit operation and somewhat different technologies to produce unique snacks. There are many ways to classify the snacks on the basis of manufacturer use near about three main terms to identify the snacks. So these are the first generation snacks, second generation, and third generation. So what are the first generation snack foods? So in this category, all the natural products used for snacking procedure, that is nuts, potato chips, or popped popcorn, these are the examples. In second generation type, the majority of the snacks such as all single ingredient snacks is used. So simple shaped products like corn, tortilla, chips, puffed corns, and so on, they are the examples of second generation. And third generations, they are also known as half products or the half pallets. So in this category, the examples are basically pallets, which are formed using multigrain ingredients, which is used by extrusion cooking. So we will see in detail these types. So first one is simply extruded snacks, or you can also say the first generation. So this category has the greatest potential for growth among the snack foods. The snacks can be made to produce innovation which captures consumer imagination. So some examples are three-dimensional snacks, a variety of animals, cartoons, and alphabet snacks can be also different types of shapes can be prepared. So the raw material cost play an important role in the finished product's selling price. Therefore, it is advantageous to use lowest cost raw material to produce successful snacks. Then second generation snacks, which are the expanded type of snacks. So majority extruded snacks are in this category. So this group is also reposed as collet or second generation snacks. The expanded snacks are made on high shear extruders. So these are high fiber and high protein and low calorie types of snacks. Some examples are corn curls, onion rings, three-dimensional snacks, and potato sticks. These types of snacks can be seasoned with a variety of different flours, oils, and sugars. So the quality of an expanded cooked product depends upon the condition of operations of the extruder and the main raw material used in the formulation. The second generation snacks or expanded snacks, where most extruded snacks are classified, are usually low in bulk density and are often marketed as high fiber, low calorie type or high protein and nutrition product. The different raw materials used to produce this kind of snacks, that is flour, cereals, tubers, proteins, such are processed in an extruder, resulting in a continuous mass that is cut into the pieces of uniform size and being afterwards dried, flavored, and stored. So that's it. Thank you.